Okay, so I have another 20 minutes on Hardees. So as long as I get it there by 3:34, the young lady who wants the Dollar General order, I gotta hurry up though because I'm running out of time. Hey, my good peeps, it is about 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Yes, I decided to try the breakfast/brunch shift in Wallace, North Carolina. So I'm here. I'm about 5 minutes away from the city limits, and I'm about to turn on Dash, and let's see if it do what it do. Like it do, like it says it do on a Saturday morning. Let me check the plus dollar, and I'll get back with you to let you know if there's a plus on it. I think there's a plus on it this morning, though. Okay, y'all, just got a few more dollars worth of gas, and still waiting. Like I said, I came in sort of on the back end of breakfast, so I might not get many orders right now. Maybe I can hit it for lunch, though, the early part of lunch, then I'll probably head on home. So I still haven't gotten the order. After I saw it was going to be very slow, I just went in Dollar General, got a couple of things we needed for the house. Then something told me, drive over to the next town, which y'all know I have done Burgle anyway. When I drove over to the next town, where it had been showing the Wallace area, which Burgle is included in that, where it had been showing that I could not start dashing until 2, how about the time changed over? I think it's because I navigated to the next town, and they were like, oh, okay, she can now dash because, and then we have an available slot because she's in a different town, although that town is a part of the area. I get it. So I'm slowly learning how DoorDash worked in any of these other gig companies, food delivery companies. I'm slowly learning it. So I'm gonna sit here. I parked at the Walgreens in Burgle, and hopefully it says that it'll get busy at 12:30, which is a couple minutes more to go, which I've already, because you can sign in, you can dash like 15 minutes before schedule. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Okay. Okay, so can y'all see in there real good? I don't know if y'all can see good enough, but now look at the doggy. The doggy is up on the books. Those are not things that are packed in luggage. They're like things that, it's just like she's in her house and she's putting it down, all this stuff down in a room or something. Who would have thought? Hoarders. Mobile hoarders. Yeah, mobile hoarders. Yeah. Wow. What y'all think? Okay, maybe y'all can see better now. I don't know. But yeah, the dog is up on her books and things, just like this is something normal. Can y'all see that? It's like bags and magazines, everything, y'all. I can't believe this. And it's stacked up pretty high. The dog is about to reach the ceiling of the oh, okay, I thought he was coming. Oh, okay. The ceiling of the truck, the SUV. Wow. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Okay, y'all, I finally got my first order. As I was heading from Burgle back to Wallace, because you know it's kind of just slow around here today, it just ding ding, it kicked in, and that was it. It's one of my repeat customers, so I'm gonna try to make sure I get this right. Heading on to Wallace now. Alrighty, almost in the city limits of Wallace. And if, like I said, if anybody out there is not sure if I can do it, anybody, direction is not the best, but unfortunately my phone, you know, that helps out. The app has the maps, you know, it automatically connects you to the Maps app, so that works out perfectly. But if you're gonna do small towns, I definitely would say just be prepared to work between towns. If you got like 2, 3, or 4 towns back to back that you can go to and from, either that or you're gonna have to do like a lot of giggers do. There's some who do gigs across apps, you know, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, you know, all those others. And so that's what they do. I'm sticking with DoorDash now because the small towns where I am, they only do DoorDash. So we'll see. But yep, I'm almost back in town and he will have his Subway. This particular customer apparently just doesn't have a, I was gonna say he didn't have a ride, a car, but that doesn't matter though. But I'm saying, because I get him quite often. Seems like every time I dash, I get this particular customer. So either he doesn't have a car, or he just doesn't pay in the money to ride. And you know, some people,
at the next light, turn left.
I'm just glad that he is willing to let others serve him, because people like me get paid to do it, paid to drive, paid to deliver. K-Dash alert. K-Dash, y'all. Okay, y'all. That's the second time that has happened. As far as this customer puts a cup of cheese, please. He puts it by his special instructions, but I can't see those until a certain point. At least that's what I think. And I'm still learning the app. I was saying, this same guy, he's very good. I've never had any troubles with him. But the cheese thing, I'm assuming that he just loves cheese, because I noticed even last night with his KFC order, he put a cup of cheese, please. I don't know. He says leave it at my door, but he's got a cup of cheese, please, with that same thing, which if you're gonna do that, you need to go ahead and put it with the instructions for the restaurant. So I hope he's not giving me bad ratings for that, or you know, I don't know. He's just putting it in the wrong place. He's putting it with instructions that tell me where to leave it. That's when I see the cup of cheese, please. So I hope something else works out for me. Starting to pick up. Going to Hardees, y'all. Hardees. And I will show you the screenshot of my last order as well as this order. All right. Yes, I have a DoorDash order I'm picking up for Joshua. Okay, y'all, I got the order and I am heading to my customer en route to them now. Let me check. I hope I get a tip out of this, because it is a 12-minute drive. So I hope I get a pretty good tip out of this. We shall see.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me.
Definitely another repeat customer. I'm starting to get them now. I'm starting to see the patterns, y'all. Yep, I am starting to see the pattern. I love these houses right here. Just look at them. I love those houses. They're like twin houses just built. I love these.
Right turn onto Oaky Branch. change lane, then the destination is on your left.
It's way past time.
Only 7 items with this shopping delivered, so that hopefully won't be so bad. Only 7 items. Okay, so I am at the right location, so let me get on out of here. Okay, got my red card. Let me head on in.
I've been calling my shots down the middle, but I feel I'm scoring too little. So this time I'm gonna try new play. Come at it from a whole nother angle. One doesn't reverse in here, so gonna set it all in motion here today. Baby, here I go. Boy, I'm thinking about taking this banner down. If you don't take notice and come around, if you walk right past me one more time like you don't see, what's yours for the taking tonight? Whoa, show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me.
Okay, y'all, you can call this my first stacked order. Yep, while I was in Dollar General, I got an order for Hardees, so I'm about to head there, and I saw it pop up. Would you like to add this to your route? Yes, I would. Let me head on. Y'all see? Well, 2 bags of groceries, not those old bags of mine, but these. Okay, here I am with my Dollar General order in the back and Hardees right here. Okay, so I have another 20 minutes on Hardees, so as long as I get it there by 3:34, the young lady who wants the Dollar General order, I gotta hurry up though because I'm running out of time. I've got like 5 minutes for her. Okay, y'all, I'm running late for Kaylin, but I did message her. I was just being honest. I told her I had 2 orders, and she knows I'm a beginner because I've never served her, so sometimes that, that might explain things. This is my first stacked order. K-Dash on the way.